Now children, today let's start with chapter number 15, that is means of transport. So in this chapter, we will study about different means of transport. Transportation helps us to move from one place to another. And we have different types of means of transport, land transport, water transport and air transport. So before invention of wheel, groups of early men could move to distant area only by walking. So invention of wheel changed the early men's lives entirely. As time passed, early men changed to civilized person and refined design of wheel. So rubber, iron and steel are used to make better wheels, and we have also improved means of transport. We use different means of transport such as bus, car, bicycle and rickshaw. And to cover different distances, we also need means of transport to carry out from one place to another. The means of transport we choose to travel depends upon the distance travel. Like we have land transport, water transport and air transport. Right, land transport which moves on the land. It is called means of land transport. Like car, buses, trucks, scooter. Right, what are these? These are means of land transport. Right, in villages, bullock carts are still used for carrying goods. Vehicles such as car, buses, scooter, they are used in towns and cities. And there are also called means of road transport. There is a very big network of roads in India and they connect to all major cities, towns and villages together. And the broad roads that between the big towns and cities are called highways. Trains are another form of land transport, rail transport. It carries people and goods from one place to another. India is one of the largest rail network in the world, or Indian Railway is abbreviated as IA. Right? So we are operated by the Ministry of Railway of the Government of India. We have passenger trains as well as goods trains that runs on network of road. Passenger train run on diesel and electricity. राजधानी, शताब्दी, दुरंतो, ये क्या है? सुपर फास्ट ट्रेन है आपके इंडिया. Now Kolkata and Delhi have underground railway system called metro. In Delhi, metro runs above the ground. In some places, underground are also available. हमारे पास underground railways भी है. So metro क्या है? Clean transport system है. In which there is a low noise train. They are fully air conditioned and they are equipped with automatic door opening. They have comfortable and safe coaches. The facility of accelerator is also available at the metro railway station. Air transport vehicle which moves in air or space. इनको हम air transport, like we have griddles, spaceship and helicopter. ये fastest kind of transport है. ये क्या cover करते हैं? Long distances and fewer. To travel by air it is very costly. Aeroplanes और helicopter दोनों क्या है? Means of air transport. Now water transport. Ships, motorboats and steamers. They sail on water. They are called means of water transport. ये सबसे cheapest means of transport है. Ships can carry passengers and very heavy bulky goods will lie. So this it is sometimes not possible in land transport. ठीक है, possible नहीं. There are some ships, कुछ ships हैं आपकी जो move करती है very fast and have fixed 5-star luxury passenger. 13 major ports are there: Mumbai, Chennai and Visakhapatnam. Right, animals used as means of transport. We have different animals. Camel को हम desert में use करते हैं, उसको हम ship of desert भी कहते हैं. Elephants को हम forest में use करते हैं जो heavy logs of wood carry करता है. Right, peonies and mules, they are helpful in hilly areas. Means of transport are called lifeline of the country because they had been economic development, right, and the natural integration of the country. So national and international trade become possible only due to modern means of transport. Right, all the modern means of transport use petrol or diesel as a fuel in their engines. They emit smoke which creates pollution in the air. Pollution has become one of the major problem we are facing today in Delhi. Most vehicles जैसे buses हो गया, taxi हो गया, auto rickshaw हो गया, they run on CNG which is less harmful to the environment. तो थोड़ी कम harmful है. Right? These were the different means of transport. Hope you understood. Now we will do the exercise. अब हम exercise करते हैं इसकी. First is, which kind of transport do you use to go to school? हम किसका use करते हैं? Land transport. The broad roads between big towns and cities are called highways. Bullock carts are still used in, कहाँ use करते हैं हम? Villages में. We can cover long distance and fewer by aeroplanes. Right, where these animals are used as a transport. इनका हम use करते हैं desert में. Bhumis, hilly areas. Elephant forest. Right? Now fill in the blanks. Dash transport. Dash transport is the cheapest kind of transport. water. Dash 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 are the measured ports. Means of transports help in development. The camel is called ship of desert. There is a big network of transport in India. Now, we have T for true, F for false statement. Car is a means of land transport. It's true. India has very big road network in transport. It's true. Animals are also used in the means of transport. Is true. In modern transport, petrol and diesels as fuel. It's true. Horse is called ship of desert. False. किसको कहा जाता है? Camel को. Now trucks and tongas. Land transport. Passenger trains runs on diesel. Air transport, fastest transport, lifeline of the country, transport, camel, ship of the day. Right? Now we have answered the following question. How can you say that metro is a clean concept? Right? क्योंकि इसमें बहुत साफ देखा ना आपने, आप कभी मेट्रो में ट्रैवल करे होंगे तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा क्या होती है, क्लीन होती है. How are the means of transport? What are the means of transport and how are these? We have three means of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Advantages बता रही है water transport की. Who is the ship of desert? Camel. And write any three major ports. आपका मुंबई हो गया, विशाखापट्टनम हो गया और चेन्नई. These are the three major ports that we have studied. Right? Now we have completed the chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class.